Okay guys, that's building draw 1.10 10. So before and after. Draw the whole task using right angle tool. Cut the building for different layers by using cut tool. So ganito lang pag-cut niya guys oh. Pero sa akin ito, kasali rin to sa layer. Group buildings the buildings. Group buildings the buildings. This is one building. Okay, so i-group lang natin 'yan. Okay, so F tool. Ganyan. Parang mali. Dito tayo. Dito tayo magsimula, guys. Okay. Click. Okay. Then cut. Ito. Layer to. Yan. Palampas guys ha. Palampas. T. F. Ulit. F. Para straight yung cutting. Ganyan lang. Then palampas. Overlap. T. Space. Yan lang. Ito pwede rin to. Kakakat natin to guys. Kung i-wrong sa checker, ibabalik lang niya. Yan lang. If gusto na ibalik, select lang the letter V to merge. Merge na yan siya. Merge. Okay. So, undo. Then, select number 4 para mag-group. Okay to guys. Submit. Thank you.